Can we try that again? What up, H5Kids? It's Charlie! And today we got an awesome video just for you. Just for you. You got like VIP pass to like the awesome Charlie's little video here at H5Kids because we're opening Squishmallows Christmas edition. Collect them all. You can get a bear, a snowman, a wolf, and so many festive and holiday little Squishmallows inside this little one. And you know, while we're here, why don't we just open it right now? So let's open the blue one. Yeah, woo! We got a little wolf with a little Santa hat on it. I love this. It was like, I would snuggle with this like all the time because they're so snuggle. Can't sleep now, we gotta do the rest. And yeah, it smells really bad. It kind of smells like people smoking in a parking lot. Or like garbage. I love this one. This one's probably my favorite, so I'm really happy to get that one. Daddy do. Which one are we gonna pick? And it's you! Here we go. We're gonna pick the silvery one. Let's unbox this thing. Charlie wreck mode. We got a snowman. So cuddly, so soft. Smells the same as the wolf, which is not good. Okay, I'm back. So this little guy, he could be Frosty the Snowman, but this time he will never melt. No, never, ever. He won't even try. This guy could be Olaf, Frosty the Snowman. I don't know. Who? Comment in the comments what you think this little snowman's name should be. Let's open the next one. This little guy. It's so cute! Oh my gosh, look at the nice little sheep. Oh my gosh, it's rainbow. Look at the face. How is that not cute? Love it. You can't not love this thing, okay? You just can't. Okay? That's why it's awesome. I want you guys, comment down below which one's your favorite. This one's definitely my favorite. I mean, it might be an abominable snowman, but we're just gonna say it's a sheep because who doesn't like sheeps? Don't hate on sheeps, just saying. They're really cool. We're going to be opening some nice, cute Squishmallows here with me, Charlie. We got a bear. Not a bear, why did I say bear? Moose. With a little green scarf. With It's a reindeer! Whatever you want to call it, let's call it a reindeer. Because it loves the rain. And a little tail. Nice ears. And it's very fuzzy. Thank you. Smells horrible. I like this one too. It's my second favorite. Okay, this time we're gonna do some ASMR. Please turn up the volume right away so you can hear me, please. This thing is amazing! I know we have a duplicate, but look they're not duplicates. So basically it's not a duplicate. So we don't have duplicates. They just look identical. But really, this one has darker colors. This one has lighter colors. We got two sheeps. Two sheeps. There we go, we got two sheep. Sheeps are my favorite, new favorite. Sheeps. I don't know which one I like better. They're both really cute, so I'm gonna like both of them. Yeah, last one. Guys, look at it. Oh. Oh. Boop, boop. We're getting duplicates everywhere. But this one's much more soft. Like this video, turn post notifications on, and press that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our awesome videos. I was born a sheep, but when I look in the mirror, I look like an abominable snowman. Are you calling me a weird snowman? Don't judge you or yourself. Don't judge yourself or someone else. You're pretty and awesome the way you are. And you're both pretty fluffy, so I like that. And then she throws the stuffies at the window like that. She throws them like that, and like that, and like that, and like that.